Good morning. I'm Andy Myers at Weiss Research.
I'm Jen Amos, and this is your morning market update for Wednesday, January 5th. Stocks on Wall Street opened in negative territory, but futures rebounded from earlier lows following a blockbuster report on the U.S. labor market. According to automatic data processing, private sector employment jumped by 297,000 in December. That was much higher than expected and the biggest monthly increase on record. Earlier this morning, outplacement firm Challenger Gray and Christmas reported that U.S. companies laid off 32,000 workers in December and about 50,000 for all of 2010. The annual number is the lowest since 1997 and a 59% decline in announced job cuts from the previous year. Following the news, Treasury prices turned down, pushing yields higher.
The jobs data may signal that the economic recovery is finally reaching the labor market in a meaningful way. But the true measure of December employment will come on Friday morning when the government releases its closely watched jobs report. Economists expect that the U.S. economy added about 140,000 non-farm payrolls last month and that the unemployment rate remained at 9.8%. Ahead of that report, we'll get a reading on weekly jobless claims tomorrow, along with the Monster Employment Index, which tracks online job demand.
This afternoon, traders will be watching for another government report, this one on fuel inventories. Investors expect that U.S. crude supplies declined by about 2 million barrels last week. Ahead of that report, oil prices are dipping below $89 a barrel, after falling more than 2% overnight. Crude had been closing in on its highest level in 2 years, before a report from MasterCard showed that U.S. demand fell sharply last week due to the blizzard in the Northeast. Gold, silver, and copper prices also took a big tumble yesterday, with gold posting its biggest decline in 6 months. Right now, gold is extending those losses as the dollar strengthens against other major currencies.
Turning to corporate news, Qualcomm confirmed its purchase of semiconductor firm Atheros Communications. The $3.1 billion price tag values Atheros at $45 a share. The stock is closing in on that price now after a big jump yesterday, and Qualcomm is rising nearly 1%. On the other side of the spectrum, shares of Family Dollar stores are tumbling nearly 8%. The retailer reported 10% profit growth in its latest quarter, but fell well short of Wall Street estimates. And BJ's Wholesale Club is losing 2% in early trading. The retailer announced that it's shutting down 5 more stores after it posted December sales that missed expectations.
Finally, keep an eye on shares of Mosaic today. After Tuesday's closing bell, the company reported strong quarterly numbers, thanks to higher selling prices for its agricultural fertilizers. That stock is gaining 2%. That's the latest from Weiss Research. Have a great trading day.